Welcome to the Free Academy. Today we'll start the course Fundamental of Ethical Hacking course. So uh, we'll cover all the section. So let's start from today. First, our first section is Introduction to Ethical Hacking. Let's start. Hack. So there is some key point we have to learn before learning our course. So let's see. First, what I hack value. The notation among hacking that something is worth doing. And another is vulnerability. Weakness in a system as software hardware vulnerabilities. Exploit. A method to intrude or penetrate in a system. And payload. Payload are malicious code inside exploit is called payload. So now what is zero-day attack? Zero when an attacker or a hacker finds a new vulnerability in a system and none other know about it, that vulnerability is known as zero-day exploit. We can say zero-day attack. Another is toxic. When hacker publishes some personal information regarding any individual that is called toxic. Bot. A bot is software or a hardware. When it installed in a computer, a hacker gain access remotely to the system. Or through the bot, we can control other system remotely. And now hacking. What is hacking? First of all, hacking is a process in which a hacker use advantage of vulnerabilities or loophole of the system to intrude or penetrate that system locally or remotely. Means the hacker always try to get the benefit of the loophole of other servers or systems. And hacking can be used to be steal or share private content of individual or of company. Uh, with different type of hacker. The hacker classifies type of hackers based on their role or jobs. So first of all, first black hat hacker. A hacker who have excellent computing skills and most talented hacker in the world. They do hacking for illegal purposes. That's why they are called black hat hacker. The hacker to do all the thing independently and in the black way means for illegal purpose. So they are excellent and they should be excellent in their jobs. And another is white hat hackers. They are professional hackers who work in the industry. They are also called ethical hackers. They work for legal purpose. They secure network where of the companies that hire white hackers. White hat hackers are hackers work under the law or some circumstances so if they are legal and they do everything with the permission of the particular related persons or company. And another is grey hat hacker. These hackers work both sides, like they work legal as well as for illegal purpose. Another is suicide hacker. This type of hacker don't care about result of hacking. They just want to hack the system and don't care about the future. The suicide hackers are those hackers who suicide hackers do either do not know everything or they just learn started or they don't know how to hide themselves and start hacking. And they don't care about the rules, regulation, law of the IT or cyber world. Another is a script kiddies. These hackers are the beginner in hacking industry. They are not familiar with programming, coding skills, and just run software tools that created by author. They just started and they don't really don't know the full depth knowledge of the hacking. They just use simple hacking tools created by others, and they do not even know how to create own hacking tools and use them. Another is hacktivist. Each hacker who promote hacking on social media sites like Facebook, LinkedIn, etc. And page of hacking. There are five types of step in hacking is following. First, reconnaissance or information gathering, finding information about target, then scanning, then maintaining access to the particular target system, and then covering tracks. So the hacker can be get hidden and or not be tracked by authorities. So thanks for watching.